Good morning guys, welcome to QuantumBuddy. Thank you for 700 subscribers. I am grateful for each and everyone who subscribed to my channel, and if you are the one not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. In this video I am going to explain about how we can log into Kotak mobile banking application. Yeah, a lot of people faces some difficulties, so I am making this video. Okay, let's start this one. Already I opened the application and I installed it before opening this one. Now I already have the account, so I need to click on this. Okay, now it is asking for entering the CRN. Every Kotak customer should have that CRN. You need to enter your CRN here. Okay, once you enter your CRN, click on submit. Here it is asking for the 6-digit MPIN. Basically I already set the MPIN in other mobile, so I am moving to this new mobile, so I am installing here. So I already have the MPIN, so I need to just enter my MPIN here. Yes, MPIN is confirmed, and please wait while we try to activate. This normally takes less than 60 seconds, so they will send a SMS to our number and they will confirm that, so that we are the genuine guys. Let's enter that code here. Okay, once we enter our code, click on submit. You have successfully activated Enjoy banking with the Kotak mobile app. So that's it. This is how we need to set up our Kotak mobile app when we move to the new phone or whatever. Thank you guys for watching this wonderful video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos.